I have with me Pradeep Rawat. He's the founder of Gurgaon Parents Association. He's joining us live from Gurgaon, and also Harsh Sethia. He is a CBSE student. Harsh, I believe that you're going to be giving your 12 board exams, and you are also waiting to know whether the exams are going to happen, not going to happen. But Harsh, first wanting to understand from you whether you want the exams to happen or not. What is your opinion?
See, actually, students like me, we've studied for the past 1 year rigorous for this board exams, and we know that these exams are important. But looking at these times and these situations, we actually think that we shouldn't hold offline exams as of now, because these small mistakes can have very long implications in our future. So it would be better if we don't have offline exams in such situations.
All right, Harsh, we'll keep that in mind. I also want to take Pradeep's opinion on this because Pradeep, you're the founder of Gurgaon Parents Association. You've obviously been interacting with a lot of parents on this. And yes, for parents, the safety of their child is first and foremost. But I believe the parent of a 12th board exam student is most worried to know where the child's future is headed. What do they feel in this scenario?
See, basically, I represent Gurgaon Parent Association, and we've been fighting for the very simple reason that right now this is not the situation for the children to come out, and we all very well know even a big, gigantic event like IPL was cancelled simply because they could not control the coronavirus. It's totally unpredictable. It's difficult to understand. It comes from literally all the corners. And one thing which every parent feels that right now this is not the time for the children to come out, and children actually are scared. They are having some anxieties also. And we feel the same decision that was taken in the case of 10th class students, that same kind of decision should be taken for the 12th class students also, simply because nobody wants to step out. Right now, the wave is difficult. It's going to hurt everyone. Children are also scared. And I simply, with humble submission I want to make that this is the time to be safe at home, not to send the children outside. And simply, we feel that when nobody wants to come out, when everybody is scared and everybody is having kind of anxieties also, there are hundreds of students who write to me on Twitter also, on my DM also, that when no parents want to send the child outside, when no children want to come out, why does the government does not understand that children are scared to come out? Corona is literally spreading like wildfire. I understand, yes, we are trying to fight it out. We are doing our bit also. But I feel right now is not the time for any kind of exams where children are supposed to come out from the home. This is what I feel.
So, Harsh, I wanted to come back to you with a question. Harsh, today, yes, we are scared. There is a sense of fear of going out there and giving the exam given the COVID situation. But 5 years down the line, and hoping that it is a COVID free world when you'll be out there to get a job. Because at the end of the day, all this effort is really about getting a good placement, getting a good job, getting good money. Do you think an employer may have this on his mind at that time that, a mark sheet is not there? The exams were not given. Do these kind of thoughts cross your mind? Or you still stand by the fact that irrespective, tomorrow there will be an understanding that, it was COVID and the exams could not be given? How is it that you're looking at your future?
Well, I've said this before and I'll say it again. These are exceptional times, and our batch is an exceptional batch because we are facing problems that no other batch has ever faced. So, what I feel is that if you look at it, each and every university has its own university level entrance exam as it is. So the university as it is takes the students in considering those marks, and the criteria for boards is that you just have to be passed in your boards exam. So I don't think this might be an issue 5 years down the line that you don't have your boards mark sheet and it's going to be hard to assess you. I don't think that would be the problem because each and every university, being it undergrad or postgrad, has its own level of entrance exam, which through which they assess students. So I actually don't think this might be a problem.
All right, fair enough, fair enough. It's important to understand how the students are feeling, which is why I want to go back to Sehaj. Sehaj, if you can hear me this time around, I really wanted to know from you where you stand on this issue. Do you think the exam should happen or not?
Yeah, so I think my stand is pretty much the same that was last time. I would still think that conducting the exams offline is not the right opinion or the right option right now. The exams have to be conducted via some other online methods, like most entrance exams are being conducted. They are being proctored. Yes, the number of students appearing for 12th standard exams are much more than entrance exams, but right now it just feels like it's not safe outside. At least till the students haven't been vaccinated completely. So if the government wants to even think about conducting the exams offline, they should make sure that all the students are given both the doses of the vaccine, they feel safe, and then only they can step outside. Otherwise, I do not feel the need to conduct these exams.
All right. Sehaj, totally get your point, and even yours, Harsh. Pradeep Rawat, thank you so much for sharing with us the point of view of parents. Like we go on to say here on Republic, that it is a very crucial decision that the center is going to take a call on, and every side needs to be weighed very, very carefully, because at one end it is the health of the students, on the other it is really your future and your whole life ahead. So keeping our viewers ahead on this story for the moment. Thank you all for joining us.